Okay, we are starting Unit 7, so I do want to talk about the project. So I'm going to click on it. You can do it on paper or on the Google Slides that I have. So we are starting this. It is due on March 5th, which is next Friday. So go ahead and write that. So that gives you the rest of this week and then next week. So on this project, you're going to collect data and then answer questions about the data that you collect. So during this individual project, you will be analyzing data from your personal cell phone to determine a linear model that matches your phone's battery life. So whenever I say your personal cell phone, that can be your cell phone, your parent's cell phone, if you have an iPod or an iPad or your Chromebook, just somebody's device that has a battery that you charge. You're going to take it all the way to 0%. I know y'all know how to do that. Make it die. And then you are going to record the time and record the number of minutes charging and your battery life percent. And we are going to see if this is a linear model.
So we have to sit there and watch it.
Well, you're going to you'll start at 0. Let's say you started at 6:45 at night. Start at 0. Then check it about 10 minutes later. And then check it another 10 minutes later or 5 minutes later. Just random intervals so that you get the number of minutes charging and your battery life. You can take it all the way to 100%, but you need at least 8 data points. You can have more. So that means you're going to check it at 8 different times. Gather the data, okay? Then once you get this data, then you're going to make a scatter plot. So I have here a graph. You're going to have to number your x axis and your y axis and also label it. And then answer the questions. You can go ahead and do collecting the data in the scatter plot between now and Friday. And then once we start learning these concepts, then you'll be able to answer the questions that come with it, okay? So you can't do this all right now because you don't know how to do everything just yet. You're going to be learning parts of it to complete different parts. So step 1 and part of step 2, you can go ahead and do between now and Friday. And then once we learn more of the concepts, then you can actually answer part D and then move on to step 3 and step 4. Okay, do you have any questions about the project yet? Okay, it does count as a quiz grade and you have a week and a half to do it.